You're out in the wild, surrounded by nature, stomach growling, and your camping stove decides it's the perfect time to fail. Let's be real, a bad stove can turn a dream trip into a real hassle. You need something reliable, powerful, and suited to your kind of adventure. That's why we've tested the top options to bring you the best of the best. Whether you're a solo backpacker or feeding a family crew, we've got a pick for every need and budget. Let's dive in. First up, at number 1, the Fire Maple Fixed Star X2. This stove is a masterpiece of efficiency and design, especially for the weight-conscious adventurer. It's an integrated system where the stove, pot, and pan support all nest neatly into a 1-liter hard anodized aluminum pot, weighing just over a pound. Its industry-leading jet burner minimizes wind impact and boils water up to 30% faster. And it has a built-in piezo igniter for instant flame. The only thing to note is that it's designed for specific fuel canisters. Coleman standard ones are a bit too wide. But for backpackers, hikers, or anyone who counts every ounce without sacrificing performance, the Fire Maple X2 is an undeniable game changer. It simply shines where it matters most. Moving on to number 2, the ODSD 2-burner camping stove. If raw power is what you're after, pay close attention. This ODSD stove boasts a massive 20,000 BTUs from its dual burners, making it the Ferrari of portable camp stoves. It brings the heat literally. It also includes a clever magnetic closure that makes setup and takedown a snap, and a full windproof shield to protect that powerful flame. It comes with a carry bag and even a little coffee stand, which is a nice touch. The catch? All that power and sturdy cold-rolled steel construction means it's on the heavier side. This isn't for hiking, it's for when you park your car at a campsite and want a cooking powerhouse that can handle anything from a quick boil to a full family fry-up. At number 3, we have the innovative STOKE VOLTAICS Nomad cooking system. This one is a total game changer for a very specific audience. Forget gas, this is a fully electric camping stove that runs off power stations, car inverters, or RV hookups. With 5 power levels from 200 to 1000 watts, it delivers consistent windproof heating, no flame to get blown out. It comes with a smart reactor, a pot, and a pan, all made from premium 304 stainless steel. The biggest pro? Cleanup is a dream with zero soot or ash. The obvious downside is you need a power source, so it's not for deep backcountry trips. But for EV owners, van lifers, or anyone who does a lot of car camping, this high-tech system is worth a long, hard look. Our number 4 pick is the Gas One GS 3400P dual fuel stove. Think of this as the reliable go-anywhere workhorse. Its biggest strength is fuel flexibility. It runs on both butane and propane, so you're never stuck searching for a specific fuel canister. That makes it a top contender for your emergency preparedness kit. It features a super simple piezo electric ignition, so no fumbling for matches, and it has serious safety features like a pressure sensor that will eject the cartridge if it detects irregular pressure. With 3.1 pounds, it's portable but not ultralight. The main drawback is its single burner, so it's not for cooking a huge feast. But for solo travelers, couples, or as a backup emergency stove, its versatility and proven reliability are hard to beat. And finally, at number 5, the OGERY 2-burner foldable camping stove. This is the ultimate all-rounder for group campers who love a good cookout. It packs a solid 10,000 BTUs across 2 independently adjustable burners, giving you plenty of power to boil water and fry up bacon at the same time. But the real game changer here is the included griddle. It has 2 sides, one textured for getting those perfect grill marks on your burgers, and a smooth side for your morning pancakes. Made from durable stainless steel, it folds down incredibly flat and comes with a carry bag, making it a breeze to transport. The only downside is it's a bit heavy for backpacking, but for car camping or tailgating, it's an absolute winner. perfect for anyone who wants a versatile, no-fuss cooking station. So, to recap, for the ultralight backpacker, the Fire Maple X2 is your champion. For the power-hungry car camper, the ODSD delivers. The tech-savvy traveler should eye the STOKE VOLTAICS Nomad, while the prepared minimalist will love the Gas One. And for groups wanting versatility, the OGERY is a fantastic choice. No matter which one you choose, you're stepping up your outdoor cooking game. Trust me, once you try one, you won't go back.